But here is something else that isn't likely to be back either. The highlights show that we've been running, edited by a friend of the show, Discord basically owner and OG Paul Briscoe fan, Casper, has decided that we think perfectly reasonably to focus on some other projects he has at the moment, like ones that, I don't know, make money or something like that, or have some prospects or whatever, which means that he won't be chopping our show up and sticking it onto the highlights channel anymore. We think this is a good decision for him, and we're very grateful for everything that he's done for us and for the Discord over however long. I think he's hanging around there still because he's got to do something during the day. The DJing thing, I don't know. I suppose you've got to sleep in the daytime for that. So he's got the hang of that. He'll be fine on the Discord sleeping during the day. But he's done an awful lot for us. We wish him well on that. Our plan in the sort of short term is to keep running the highlights, but we're going to pop them on the main channel. So if somehow you've come across this either on the main channel or the highlights channel and you're after the highlights, check out the main channel. That is pretty much all for us for this week, though. So we'll see you next time when we may or may not have Paul and may or may not have a lawsuit. Bye for now.